In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the owner's name in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to share a Google file without revealing who owns it, this simple technique will help. The idea is to let people create their own copy, so their name appears as the owner instead of yours, while your original stays private and unchanged. Start by opening Google Drive and finding the file you want to share. Right-click the file and choose Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who can access the file. You'll see a section labeled General Access. Change that setting to Anyone with the link. This means only people who receive the link can view it, and it doesn't make the file publicly searchable. After switching the access, click Copy Link to place the share link on your clipboard. Keep in mind, if you are sharing sensitive content, only send this link to people you trust, because anyone who has it can open the file. Next, paste the link into your browser's address bar so you can edit it. Look at the end of the URL. You'll typically see something like Edit or Edit. USP equals to sharing. Replace that entire end portion with Copy. If your link shows Faview, the same idea applies the final part to Copy. Don't alter anything before that slash. You are only swapping the last segment. What this does is point the link to Google's built-in Make a Copy prompt instead of opening your original document. Now take this new copy link and share it with your recipients. When they click it, they won't open your file directly. Instead, they'll see a prompt to create a new copy in their own Google Drive. Once they accept, the file is duplicated into their account and they become the owner of that copy. Your name and ownership are not shown on their file, and their copy is independent of your original. This works best with Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and similar Google formats. A couple of helpful reminders: your original file remains in your drive with your permissions intact, and people can't edit it through the copy link. If you ever want to stop new people from accessing the link, you can return to the share settings and switch general access back to restricted. Recipients who already made their own copies will still have them, but new users won't be able to open the link. That's it. With a quick share setting and a small URL change, you can share your content while keeping the owner's name out of view. Thanks for watching.